Hi friends, most of you are fond of juice. Some of you like this grapes juice, cucumber juice, apple juice, apple with milk shake. You most of you are fond of this. But have you ever tasted the pomegranate juice? You know, in the Hyderabad, particularly in South India, you will find a lot of pomegranates are being produced. Even in our rural India, you will find in our, one place, homeyard, you will find the pomegranate trees. So pomegranate has a, good lot of health benefits. If you have not enjoyed the pomegranate juice, please have a glass of pomegranate juice. Let's know what are the benefits it is giving to us. So, dear friends, pomegranates contains the antioxidants. So, pomegranate juice is enriched with polyphenol, and polyphenol is a powerful antioxidant and which helps in removing, oxygen species, that is ROS, a kind of free radicals in the body that prevents damage. This ROS, reactive oxygen species ROS, that prevents the oxidative damage which is takes place by the free radicals. So this is one point to be taken. And what else it does, the pomegranate juice. So pomegranate is has a nutritional and brimming with vitamin E. See, vitamin E has manifold immense benefits so far our good health is concerned. Then vitamin E itself is an antioxidant. And vitamin E, magnesium, which controls blood pressure and the glucose level. See, all of us know that India is the diabetic capital of the world. Hardly, 35 above you will find the people who are normotensive. Their blood pressure is 120 by 70 or 75 or 80. So people are more and more becoming hypertensive. It's because of our lifestyle, because of the stress, because of the food we are taking, and the way we are, taking, much strain. Sometimes you are taking strain for nothing. But we are always, fit part that, stress level is not being exposed. Of course, it is being exposed to the doctor and we are taking medicines. This pomegranate juice, plays a vital role in reducing the blood glucose and controls the blood pressure. So next time you are, if you need to advise some of your friend who is suffering from this, hypertension or this diabetic, don't forget to advise take a glass of pomegranate juice. What else? That prevents and treats cancer. See, we all know that prevention is always better than a cure. Is not it? And cancer, the carcinoma, is a dangerous disease. See, I don't challenge to the, medical facilities are available today. If it is being detected earlier in the first stage, one is being cured. But I don't wish that any one of us should suffer from cancer. Whatever accumulation you are having, it will take away. So it is prevention is always better than a cure. So take pomegranate juice, and why you will take pomegranate is one of the natural remedies, which can treat or prevent prostate cancer. Many elderly people, they are suffering from this, and also breast cancer, lungs cancer, and the skin cancer. As a prevention, let's have a glass of pomegranate juice. Not every day. You can take it once in a week or once in a blue moon. That also, and be helping in repairing your body system. Who hope you will take it, not invite those diseases. Now, hypertension, it will control hypertension, it will control diabetes, it has, this free radical scavenger, and it will, prevent, prevent and treat. It also treats, yes, those people are already suffering, they are already diagnosed they also can take this, pomegranate juice. And prostate cancer, breast cancer, lungs cancer, and the skin cancer. Yeah. What else it is doing? It improves digestion. As particularly the people, we can say that alcohol, those who are taking more alcohol, they are also facing this problem of, they don't feel the appetite. So, irritable, it is bowel syndrome or the bowel disease. The people who are suffering from the disease, irritable bowel disease, the juice can also treat and prevent inflammatory bowels. See, our alimentary canal is made for the vegetable, for vegetarian food, vegetarian diet. But what are you doing? We are taking a good lot of non-veg food, and sometimes we are taking food, more than our heart's content. At least how much you are hungry, minimum 10%, 20% if you are doing it is fantastic. At least take 10% less to fill your belly. Then you will run well and do well, and maybe you will not suffer from this irritable bowel syndrome. See, if it is already there, irritable bowel disease or syndrome, whatever it may be, then start taking this pomegranate juice that improves your digestive system by restoring the peristalsis of the digestive canal. And one more point I have to tell you. See, pomegranate juice may reduce blood pressure and shield the heart and arteries, and thus prevents heart disease. That is, arteries is artery and nerves. What is being happened? A very common things you should understand. These free radicals, they help in plaque formation in your arteries. When the arteries is just like a water pipe connected from the municipality or from your overhead tank to your house. When some mosses are being accumulated in that inside the pipe, you get less water flow. So definitely you call to the plumber and they arrange something that could dilate or rinse the inner wall of the pipe, so that again the this water flow restores. The exactly same things is being atherosclerosis is a thing that hardening of the artery and blockage of the artery. And this pomegranate juice that helps a lot in cleaning the internal sedimentation or which has attached to the artery wall. So again it may prevent the heart disease people are suffering. Thank you my dear friends, and particularly elderly friends, senior citizen friends. Please don't forget to have a glass of this pomegranate juice once in a week. If you can take once in a, you are getting good lot of pension, or else if you are leading a life in rural areas, plenty of pomegranate you will get in the rural area, and you can plant a tree and get it within 1 year, 2 years, 3 years like that. So that will help a lot. And after all, one thing, it will delay the progress of your ultimate end. That you can do. So I'll be telling 2-3 things to do that we can lead a very good life. This pomegranate is one of them. Sometimes we will meet and tell how vitamin B12 helps to enrich your life. Thank you very much. Bye bye.